what were you doing when you were 16-year-old? Like, maybe you are 16-year-old, maybe you're 18, maybe you're 20, maybe you're 21, maybe you're 25. Let me ask you the question, what were you doing when you were 16 years old? Like, literally, what were you doing? Let me be honest and frank with you. I was a fucking dumbass. I didn't know anything. Like, I didn't know what a fucking business was. Like, I used to think that business is something that people do to make money. And the same thing that can be done by doing a job, right? So there was no fucking difference for me back then. I didn't even know any kind of skills like graphic designing, content creation, or YouTube or copywriting. I didn't have any kind of skill with me. Like, I didn't even know that some things are called as skills. Like, I was a fucking dumbass. And some of the YouTubers, like in the self-improvement spaces, are gonna say, "Oh, it's okay to be a dumbass. It's okay to don't know what you want to do." Like, literally, bro. Seriously. It's okay to not know what you want to do in your life. It's not, bro. It's not. Like, really, there are 16-year-olds who are creating fucking businesses. And not only fucking businesses, that are creating 10k, 100k month businesses. I was on Twitter and there was this guy called Suleiman Botha and Jang Inspires and countless others. It's not that there are 2 or 3 people that are doing this thing. There are like 8, 9, 10. I don't even know how many people there are. They are really, really young, 16 years old. Just think about it. If they just stick to it for 5 fucking years, 16 to 21, just imagine the kind of progress they're going to make. And you are sitting here thinking that I'm 21, I'm 25, I'm really old, I can't stick to anything. And I won't do any kind of thing. And maybe you're pissed off at your 16-year-old self by listening to this, by reading this and saying that, oh, you shouldn't be competing with anyone. You should be only competing with your past self. That is the most ridiculous way to win in life. Just think about it. If Usain Bolt told that, oh, I just need to be more faster than myself. I don't need to compete against any kind of guys. Would he have the kind of fame that he has by running? Would he be known as the fastest man in the world? Like, no, he is not the Flash, but he is known as the fastest man in the world. Would he be known that? Just think about it. Any kind of boxer, any kind of MMA fighter, or any kind of athlete. Just think about it. If they wouldn't have competed with their opponents, they thought that, oh, I just need to be, better than myself. Yeah, you need to be better than yourself. You need to be better than a past person. But you also need to compete with others in order to grow exponentially. And not many people want that. I don't want exponential growth. I'm okay with the slow immersive growth that I'm getting. If you're okay with that, then it's your choice. But here in this channel, we aspire to have exponential growth, exponential success, and exponential action. So that's why I'm making this video, because I want you to know that 16-year-olds are creating businesses that are making 10k a month. 10k not in rupees, 10k in dollars. That would be around 8 lakh a month. 8 lakh a month. They're 16-year-old and they are making businesses of 8 lakh a month. Just think about the kind of success, the kind of money they would be making at 21 years of age. And if you're really young, maybe even if you're 25, you still have the time. You still have the time, energy, and mental capacity to create such businesses and work hard. It's not that they are like some kind of geniuses. They also need to learn. They also need to read books. They also need to read, they also need to watch YouTube videos. They also need to read articles and stuff on the things that they're doing. Everyone needs to do that. Everyone needs to educate themselves. Nobody is born with the kind of education they have right now. Nobody is born with the kind of knowledge they have right now. You are not, I am not. Nobody is. So stop giving excuses, bro. And stop thinking that competition is a bad thing. It is a good thing. If you're competing with me, if you're competing with anyone, it is a fucking good thing. And even if you beat me in this competition, or even if you go ahead of me, it doesn't matter. I will try my best to beat you too. So it's like this friendly competition where you don't like keep hate for anyone. You are in a friendly competition that you are aiming to defeat that person and moving forward. You might have seen these kind of things in animes and movies where there are 2 competitors and they both are trying to become the Hokage or the Wizard King or something like that. And that is fucking healthy, bro. It develops their relationship. It develops their friendship as they go on. They're, what is the term for that? Rivalry friendship or something like that. Seriously, like they are competing against others, and that's why they can push past their limits. Oh my god, I just quoted Black Clover here. But really, you get the point, right? Competition is not bad for you. The modern world, the modern science movement, YouTubers are going to tell that no, don't compete. If you compete, competition is not bad. Comparison is. You're comparing yourself to someone who has been doing the things for 3 fucking years. The 16-year-old, he started like making his business 1 year ago, and you haven't even started, and you're comparing to him that, oh no, he is 16 years old and he's making more money than me, and I'm 21 years old and I'm not making any kind of money. Bro, he started 1 year ago. You haven't even started yet. How are you fucking comparing yourself with him? Comparison is bad, competition is good. If you compete with him right now, like he created a business in 1 year, I'm going to create that in 6 months. I am taking this challenge that I'm going to create this month in 6 months. Now that is healthy competition. That is the kind of competition that will help you grow. That will help you grow exponentially. And like modern YouTubers, oh no, competition is bad. Competition is bad. Don't do competition. It will be really bad for your mental health. It will actually improve your mental health. Like seriously, if you're competing with someone and it is kind of a friendly competition and you're not holding any kind of grudge against them, or are not comparing yourself with them, then it is really great. It will help you achieve astounding amounts of success in a short period of time. And there are people say, oh no, you shouldn't aim to gain success in a short period of time. You need to do the hard work for the long period of time. Yeah, that is right. But why not intensely focus on the things that we want to do? Why not compete with our brothers? Why not compete with people who are close to us and try to beat them in the game, and maybe they will get ahead of us, and then we'll have the competitive surge that, oh no, I need to beat this guy, and you will increase your intensity. So this is again to remind you that 16-year-olds are making businesses that are generating 10k a month, 10k dollars, 8 lakh rupees a month. What are you doing? So that's it for today's video, and if you like this video, subscribe to us, because here we help young men become the best version of themselves. So see you in another video, and until then, have a great time.